Hi everyone, welcome to my Akka class channel. Today I am going to write Independence Day speech. Let's learn today Independence speech. First line. Good morning everyone. Second line. My name is Ria. Third line. Today is Independence Day. Fourth line. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Fifth line. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year. Sixth line. India became free in 1947. Seventh line. We thank our brave freedom fighters. Eighth line. We should love and respect our country. Ninth line. Let us keep India clean and make it proud. Jai Hind. Thank you. Thank you for watching video. Please share and subscribe my channel.